So hi everyone, we have been really enjoying our camper van and lots of our stays, and we sleep on the foam cushions that just come down, you know, to the sides to create a mattress space. Lovely big size bed, but like this is great if you're just doing some short trips, but we've been doing a few longer trips and we do have a couple of weeks, probably 3 weeks planned soon where we're going away. And so I said to Mark, something needs to change because we really need to have something that's more comfortable and easier to sleep on for a long time. So we begin investigating what we could do about that. So we'll let you know what we did.
So we've only got very limited space, so we've got to make sure we get these measurements right. Because the last thing you want is to go and spend all that money on a new mattress and find that it's not going to fit. So we've got 153 wide, and it's not shaped. This side is shorter than this side here as well.
So we've got to factor that in as well?
You've got to factor that in as well, correct. Looking at 180. So it's 180 this side, and it's 190 on the other side. So this side here is 10 centimetres longer, and it's not something as simple as just pulling these down to give more space for the mattress, because if you pull them down, we've just got the bare timber. So we've got to be very, very careful in the mattress that we're getting.
It's more about the length and the width.
Yeah, that's right, because if it's too long, then it'll push out the back of the camper.
Yeah.
And we know it can't be a queen size because a queen size was way too long. So we're off to OMF and see how we go.
Here we go, Mikey. Come on, Mikey. Let's go get our new mattress for the camper.
You and your mattress.
It's going to be great. Look here.
The bolsters were perfectly fine.
Awesome. You'll love it, I promise.
I'm going to love the new mattress.
Yes.
Okay. You reckon that's going to be a double mattress in here?
Yeah.
I really hope it fits, because I don't think they're going to take it back.
It'll be good. It'll be great. You'll love it. Look at that.
I hope so.
That's a double bed mattress in a box. It's amazing.
We'll see.
Let's take it home.
So, hang on. So we've been to OMF and we've picked up a double mattress. Now I've been assured that the mattress is going to fit. I haven't seen them like this before. It's vacuum sealed, and so when we open the mattress up, and it'll just instantly fit in the space here. So I don't know, I'll just turn her out. Hang on. 33 kilos. It's the right width. I'm really hoping it's going to be the right length. So we're going to pop it open and we'll let you see. Okay, so here we have it. A P1 mattress from OMF. Perfect length. We do have a little bit of space on either side. And guys who are watching, remember, happy wife, happy life.
You're gonna love it. I betcha.
And if you've enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to our channel, hit the bell, and check out other videos that we have on our Jayco and also the places that we've been travelling to. See you down the road.